Hi, this is Kent, and welcome to my SEO for WordPress video training course. Now, the first thing I need you guys to do is download this SEO worksheet. Now, you should see this document inside the resources section of the Udemy video. But if for whatever reason you can't find it, you can also find this document on my website. You just type into your web browser SEO company Los Angeles.us/blueprint. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and type this into my browser, and this will take me to the document. So here I am, I'm at my web browser, paste this in, and here's the document. You can download this document here. If you're using Chrome browser, you'll see a download button here, or if you're using Mozilla or a different browser, you'll see a section where you can download this. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. If not, I'll see you in the next video and we'll start talking about keyword research. So I'll see you there.